First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
This morning we were seeing a few scattered showers on the radar, not as much coverage as what we had yesterday morning with those drenching downpours, but some of you did pick up on some of this activity before it just fell apart. There's not a lot of upper air support for these thunderstorms to hold together, so what they're running into is some dry air at the mid-levels, kind of choking them off. But as we get a little more daytime heating in here, there's plenty of available moisture at the surface, and that will be lifted with the advent of a cold front moving in, plus some daytime heating. We think thunderstorms will get going a little bit later today and into this evening. Some of those could actually end up being rather strong. There is a slight risk of severe weather back to the west of us. As a matter of fact, I'll switch sources here and show you on the radar computer that area. There we go. I wanted to show you that first to begin with, but here it is. It's been shaved off a little bit last night. As Shane showed you, it covered pretty much the entire state of Kentucky. But now, if you could draw a line north to south, which would be, say, Interstate 65, the area under the slight risk for severe weather is mostly western Kentucky, west of our area. Here's a look at what's going on as far as rainfall amounts. We've had some this morning, a little bit of light rain, 500s up there in Calhoun and McLean County, 400s in Greenville, 1200s in Madisonville, 400s there in Greenville, nothing here in Bowling Green. You see out to the southeast, 2200s of an inch of rain, actually. Down in Albany, that's from thunderstorms and some showers that moved through there very early this morning. Temperatures for the most part are mainly in the low to mid 70s here this morning. Rough River Lake, that is our hometown forecast for today, which focuses on the Hardinsburg area up in Breckinridge County. You'll see a high today around 86 degrees with that chance of showers. Litchfield, Grayson County, the Clarkson area, Grayson Springs, all about 87 today with that chance of showers. By the way, the Powerball jackpot from the Kentucky Lottery estimated to be at $166 million for the Wednesday night drawing. Mega Millions estimated to be at $13 million. Air quality, really no issues with the pollen count. It's still in the low category, but we've added in a little bit of ragweed. We're starting to get into that time of the year when the ragweeds is going to start to be an issue here. Grass is less of an issue eventually. Ozone is in the moderate category. Molds are low. UV index, we'll say moderately high today because we will see a mix of clouds and sunshine before we get thunderstorm activity. You can see these clouds are actually kind of blowing off of those thunderstorms that were ongoing this morning just a few, say, minutes ago or an hour ago or so. And these are just the leftover clouds that we're seeing now live on Doppler cam. 71 degrees currently with a light south wind at 5 miles per hour. The pressure is falling. We check Litchfield's weather cam, courtesy of the AAA Systems Network. You're at 73 degrees. You've had some light scattered showers pull through there this morning. Munfordville, same for you, 73 degrees. As we go to Mammoth Cave National Park, very high water down in the Green River Basin this morning. A little bit of patchy fog there, 73 degrees currently. Jamestown Marina, you had some rain this morning. In fact, some heavy rainfall. You're at 72 degrees right now. 73 at the Bowling Green Airport with some cooler air to the north and warm, muggy air to the south. And radar showing the progress of the showers pulling through. What we have is a leftover boundary. You can't see it, but it's out there, and it's helping spark some of the thunderstorms that we're seeing this morning. For now, dry air is choking things off, but later we'll see redevelopment of showers and thunderstorms as a cold front begins to move into the region. That will happen later this afternoon. As I showed you, some of the storms, mainly west of Bowling Green, could be rather strong, but there's some question whether that will even happen or not. If there's enough mid-level dry air working in, then it'll choke off some of the severity of the storms. But one thing's for sure, by tomorrow afternoon, things will begin to clear up. High pressure takes over. We're going to cool down, and a less humid air mass is going to come in here for the end of July. Warm and humid today, scattered thunderstorms, 88, showers and a few thunderstorms tonight, 69, up to 83 tomorrow. A shower maybe in the morning, but then clearing and cooler by the afternoon, and very nice, pleasant next few days to close out the work week with high temperatures in the mid-80s and lower humidity levels. A stray shower or two on Saturday, not a big deal. And then after that, a bonus cool down for Sunday and Monday.